Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it block. In Japanese, Suguru. In this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, September the 6th, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see, but this will be number 5134. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. But for a 4 stars puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes. I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. I see here quadra box. Here also a quadra box. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the box, the inside box near, the inside box is always a 5. Always a 5. Well, this box, the quadra box contains the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, this one I cannot fill any numbers. This one also cannot fill any numbers. Need more information. More quadra boxes? No. Here, quadra box in the L shape. When you see the quadra box in the L shape, the inside box is always a 5. Inside box of the L shape. So 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape, yes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more. No. And those are the shapes. Yeah, those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 out of 6. Yeah, maximum 6. but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Now we have a 2 there. This box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Then 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. Let me mark those. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Well, in this quadra box, I think this box should be a 3 or 4 because it can be 1, can be 2. Yes, 2 numbers left, 3 or a 4. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for that box. I cannot place a 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box is not the solution. Place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 2 numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So these 2 boxes can be 2. Okay, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, that means that this box, we have a double 2 there. It means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. I don't think too long. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box should be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2 in this quarter box, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 5 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, then let me see. I think this box should be a 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Well, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.